Hey guys, welcome to Intellect Digest. I'm your host Rohit Khurana. Let's get started with this episode. In this video, I'm going to unbox the InFocus Vision 3 Pro. I'm going to show you the box contents, give you a features overview of this phone, and we are also going to briefly talk about the major differences between the Vision 3 Pro and the Vision 3. Let's quickly opening the box and showing you what's inside. The first thing you get is the phone itself. This is the InFocus Vision 3 Pro. Looks quite nice and sleek in this metallic finish. Feels quite premium in hand with this 2.5D curved glass. I'll keep this to the side and show you what else you get in the box. So here you have some documentation which includes a quick start guide and a warranty manual. And apart from that, you get a set of standard set of accessories, which includes a wall charger, which is 1.5 ampere in current rating. And here you have a 3.5 mm headset. These are the standard earphones. They look quite nice in the ear types. It has a button to accept or reject the call. Here you have a data cable, which is USB to micro USB, and you also get a SIM removal tool that has been bundled in the box. So that's all in the box. Let me get rid of everything and get back to the phone. This is how the phone looks, and while it boots, let me show you around the physical form factor and the ports. On the right hand side of the phone, you get the power or wake up key, which comes with a nice texture, and a volume rocker which is on top of it. On top of the phone is 3.5 mm audio jack. On the other side is the dual SIM card tray, and on the bottom of the phone is charging port, two grills, one of which is a speaker grill. At the rear of the phone, you get dual camera setup. This is a 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel wide angle camera setup with LED flash, a fingerprint scanner, InFocus branding on the rear. On the front is a 5.7 inch 18:9 HD plus display, which does look quite good. And on top of the display is a 13 megapixel front facing camera, some sensors, and a standard earpiece on the front. There are no bezels buttons here. The buttons are a part of the software. Let me quickly set up this phone and get back. And we are back after a quick setup of this phone, and it does look really beautiful. Before I tell you more in details, let me quickly tell you about what makes it different from the Vision 3. The Vision 3 Pro model comes with metallic build, which differentiates it from the Vision 3, which has a plastic build. It also has a faster octa-core 1.5 GHz processor compared to the 1.3 GHz quad-core that you get on the Vision 3. It also has double the RAM, 4 times the storage at 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB compared to 2 and 16 that you get on the Vision 3. It also gets beefier cameras. Here you get a 13 plus 8 megapixel setup compared to a 13 plus 5 megapixel setup on the Vision 3. And the front camera here is a 13 megapixel compared to an 8 megapixel camera that you get on Vision 3. Along with that, this phone also offers you face unlock feature, which is really great. Now let me tell you the USPs or some of the cool things about this device. First of all, the fingerprint scanner here is very fast. The display here is a large 5.7 inch 18:9 aspect ratio display, which does look beautiful. It plays back videos in a very nice way. The color saturation, the overall display panel quality here is very good and pleasing to consume videos. The dual camera setup is also very impressive and comes with a lot of modes. So by default you get the photo mode, then you have time lapse, video, beauty, panorama, and there's also a pro mode. There's also a picture in picture, which lets you take a shot with both front and the rear camera at the same time, like you can see on your screen right now, and I have taken some samples. This also comes with the portrait mode or the bokeh mode, which is enabled by touching on this face icon right on top. So this is a PIP shot or picture in picture shot, which takes a click with both rear and front camera at the same time, and this is how it looks. This is a front facing camera shot without the portrait mode, and it captures in a lot of detail. And you can see that background, there is a frame on the wall, and this side there is a fan on the wall. You can see the ceiling. So this one is without portrait, but when you turn on the portrait mode, it very nicely blurs out the background. As you can see that the frame is now nicely blurred out and all the focus and attention is on the face. So this is the front facing camera portrait mode for great selfies, and this is a portrait mode with the rear facing camera. As you can see, the objects here are nicely blurred out, and this shot I have taken to demonstrate the wide angle mode. This is the normal picture, and when you turn on the wide angle mode, this is the wide picture. So when you are taking landscape shots, or when you are taking picture of something which is close to you, you can move into the wide angle mode and you can capture a lot more in the frame. So the camera is really impressive, and the quality as well as clarity in this camera is very impressive. The color production, the detailing, the accuracy, focusing, everything is spot on. So camera is really very impressive. Along with that, it comes with a large 4000 mAh battery which will easily last you through the day. It comes with split screen multitasking, Android 7 out of the box, and a lot of features for the price point of just 11,000 rupees. So summarizing this phone, it comes with a beautiful display, a great design, 2.5D curved glass, a fast processor. It gives you dual camera setup at the rear, a great selfie camera which also comes with screen flash, a lot of software features, and all that comes for a price of just 11,000 rupees. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can get one for the Best Buy price. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Do let us know in the comment section below what you think about this, and do share your suggestions. Subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.